First of all, if you are the one who dislikes my video just because of my accent,
Get the fuck out of here, man.
hello everyone and welcome to the UFC book. In this video, we are gonna talk about the results of UFC Fight Night Font vs Garbrandt, their aftermaths, and how much did each fighter get paid that night. Let's talk about the bonuses first. So fight of the night bonus of $100,000 were received by Justin Tafa and Jared Vanderaa, and two fighters who received $50,000 performance of the night bonus each were Carla Esparza and Bruno Silva. The Brazilian flyweight Bruno Silva earned a total of $78.5 thousand including the bonus by knocking his opponent out under 1 minute in the prelims card of the event. A middleweight bout, Jack Hermansson vs Edmen Shahbazyan, kicked off the main card where Hermansson got a unanimous decision victory and earned a total of $161,000, $75,000 to fight plus $75,000 to win plus $11,000 sponsorship bonus. Edmen Shahbazyan earned a total of $38,000 including his $6,000 sponsorship bonus. Next fight was a featherweight bout of unranked fighters where Ricardo Ramos defeated Bill Algeo via unanimous decision to earn a total of $66,000. 30 to show, 30 to win plus $6,000 sponsorship bonus, while Bill Algeo earned a total of $16,000 including a $4,000 of sponsorship bonus. In women's featherweight bout, Norma Dumont defeated Felicia Spencer via split decision to earn a total of $28,000 in her third UFC appearance. $12,000 to show, $12,000 win bonus plus $4,000 sponsorship bonus. Despite losing the fight, former Invicta FC champion Felicia Spencer made a total of $34.5 thousand, including a $4.5 thousand sponsorship bonus. In the heavyweight bout, Jared Vanderaa got a unanimous decision victory over Justin Tafa to earn a total of $74,000, including $50,000 fight of the night bonus, $10,000 to show, $10,000 win bonus, and $4,000 was his sponsorship bonus. On the other hand, it was the fourth fight and third loss of Justin Tafa in UFC, and he got $74.5 thousand, $20,000 to show, $4.5 thousand sponsorship bonus plus $50,000 fight of the night bonus. In the co-main event of this card, top 5 ranked Carla Esparza defeated Yan Xiaonan via TKO in second round to earn a total of $201,000. $70,000 to show, $70,000 to win, $11,000 sponsorship bonus plus $50,000 performance of the night bonus. In my opinion, it was the most interesting fight of the whole main card and the only fight that didn't go to the decision. Yan Xiaonan earned a total of $46,000 by losing first time in the UFC. She got $40,000 to fight and $6,000 sponsorship bonus. The main event and the headline bout was between former bantamweight champion Cody Garbrandt versus number 3rd ranked Rob Font. To be honest, if you're a Cody fan, then his fight can be the most interesting or the most frustrating for you. And this time it was really frustrating watching him prove that he's no more a no-chin Garbrandt. Cody lost the fight by unanimous decision and earned a total of $146,000. $135,000 to show plus $11,000 sponsorship bonus. Rob Font, on the other hand, earned a total of $115,000. $52,000 to show, $52,000 win bonus plus $11,000 sponsorship bonus. And do you know who was the top earner that night? Of course not, because I didn't tell you yet. So the fighter who earned most that night was Ben Rothwell, who earned a total of $286,000 by ruining this 2 feet heavyweight's first UFC appearance and submitting him in the second round via guillotine choke in the last fight of preliminary card. His MMA record is 39 wins and 13 losses, which is at least better than Masvidal, and he's been competing in UFC since 2009. So I think he deserves that much money. I don't want to disrespect Chris Barnett, but he was gassed out in the very first round. According to his height, I would like to advise him to fight in the featherweight against Amanda Nunes because she is also out of opponents for her featherweight title. And to be honest, when I searched his name in Wikipedia said,
"Who the fuck is that guy? Who the fuck is that?"
Now if you enjoyed any part of the video, don't go without liking it. And if you wanna get more such content, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. We'll meet in the next video. So till then, do whatever you want.